Going to get some roast beef from the deli the other day, and it was like $15 a pound. And I thought, I can do better than that. I may have to make a couple of pounds, but you know, in this house, it's not going to go to waste. So I got an eye around and I already have all the simple seasonings. So let's make roast beef. It doesn't get any easier than this. I've got a 3.5 pound roast. This is an eye around. You can see it's nice and round. It's got a little bit of a fat cap, which I'm going to leave that on. I'm going to roast it with the fat cap side down. So when I slice it, I'm going to slice it this way. Simple seasoning. I'm going to put a little avocado oil on it. And I'm going to season it with some garlic powder, onion powder, salt, crushed black pepper. Just give that a little mix. That's about a teaspoon each of each one. I'm going to use a high heat avocado oil, and I'm going to just cover my roast. My roast has been out on the counter for about an hour, so it's close to room temperature, but not exactly room temperature. So it's close enough for those who are keeping score at home. The oil is going to act as a binder. And I'm going to just sprinkle this on. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's see here. I want all that. All right. I'm going to brown this in a cast iron pan and use that same cast iron pan. It's going to go in a 275-degree oven. Get my pan nice and hot. A little bit more oil, not a lot. Just waiting for it to give it a little wisp of smoke like we had there, and I'm going to start browning this. Nice sizzle. I'm not trying to cook it in this pan on the stove top. I'm just giving it some color. That's all I'm trying to do here. All right, that's all I'm going to do. Now I'm going to put this in a 275-degree oven. I've added my meter plus thermometer so I can bring it out right on exactly 130 degrees. So 275 until it beeps. About an hour and a half, 2 hours. We'll be back. So I pulled this out right at 135 degrees. So I'm going to let it rest for a good 30 minutes before I even try to cut that. I'm going to tin it with a little aluminum foil. This is after 30 minutes rest. So right now it's right about 137, 138 degrees. So perfect medium rare. I've let it rest, like I said, for 30 minutes, and I'm going to slice it up. I'm going to pull in tight here. And I get to use my knife again. I'm so excited about this. This is from New West Knife Works. This is their 9-inch chef's knife with the ironwood handle. It performs as well as it looks. Let me tell you, it is one heck of a knife. If you're interested, check out my description. I'll have a link to New West Knife Works. And if you buy something, use my discount code that I have listed. Get 10% off. So hope you enjoy. See how we're doing here. I'm going to This knife certainly outperforms me. Get this as thin as I can for my sandwiches. All right, let's see how this tastes. Get a little bite here. Good stuff. Got some nice garlic and onion coming through. Of course, the salt and pepper. The slow roast is the way to go. Best part about this, cost me half of what it would if I were to buy this from the deli. Right now, roast beef from the deli is running about $15, $16 a pound. I got a big roast here. This is over 3 pounds, but it's about $7 a pound. The spices I already have on hand cost me about 2 hours in the oven. We're going to be eating like kings. I'm going to throw this on an onion roll with some Swiss cheese and mustard. Maybe serve it with some sweet potato fries. We have dinner. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please consider subscribing. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. I really appreciate it. Cheers.